Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, and where I share everything that I know, everything that I've experienced and learned over the years of my life. And today we've got something beautiful, a headband with this beautiful pattern like so. It's very easy to do. It's only 2 rows and we do like that. I knit the first loop as a front stitch, then 2 loops as pearl stitch, and we've got 3 stitches here, 3 front stitches here. We take the right needle and we count 1, 2. After the second we put the right needle through and we grab the yarn to make sure it's a bit longer, and then at the back we create a yarn over, and then this 2 plus the 3rd loop, we knit it together. So basically from 3 loops we make 3, but in this way: 2 pearl stitches, and then we've got 3 front stitches. After the second loop we put the needle through, we grab the yarn like so, then we put yarn over the needle, then we find the center of these 3 loops, the 2 loops we've knitted plus the 3rd loop, and then we release, and we have from 3 loops we create 3 loops, then pearl stitch, 2 pearl stitches. So we've got 3 front stitches, we put through like so, and we release, and we finish the row the same way. Two pearl stitches and front stitch at the end to create a very beautiful edge. We knit with a front stitch the last loop, then at the back we knit the front stitch with a front stitch. So we have 2 front stitches, 3 pearl stitches, 2 front stitches, 3 pearl stitches, 2 front stitches, 3 pearl stitches, 3 pearl stitches, 2 front, and the last we knit with a front stitch. And this is it. This is the pattern that we created, and we continue from the row number 1 again. After the 2 we grab the yarn, we do yarn over, and then we need these 3 ones together, 2 purl stitches, and so on. Very easy, very simple, very quick to learn, even a beginner. Hello again everyone, this is the finished headband. As you can see, these are the beautiful plots. The pattern is fantastic. The color is nice. It would work with any color of hair. And this is a stitch at the back, which I have done a careful job so it isn't too accentuated, too visible. It stretches nicely, stretches quite well. I've chosen this color because I usually like to wear a strong lipstick color like red. I like wearing a strong lip color, so a beautiful headband like this one in this color would work very well. Like red lipstick, it will look perfect. And or if you want to go matte, maybe you can leave this headband to do its magic without actually wearing a strong lip color. It's a very good yarn. It's acrylic yarn which I've used for it, and it's friendly for summertime wear. When it gets cooler, something like this would just keep you slightly a bit warm and also keep your hair in place in case in the area you are living in is very windy in the summer. And I think it's very beautiful. I like the pattern. It's easy pattern, it's easy to memorize, it's easy to do, and as you can see, it's fantastic. I love it. I hope you love it too, and hopefully you will leave the comments below where you can suggest to me what else would you like me to do on my channel, like what kind of items would you like to expect from my channel, and hopefully I can do my best to fulfill that. This headband, it's original. I have made it myself. It's not a pattern from anywhere else. It's absolutely unique to my channel. So just bear in mind, you will be unique by having this pattern as a headband, and you would look original and beautiful as well. Especially this accessory just accentuates that, the beauty of your own face and appearance generally. It makes you look stylish and very handsome, very beautiful. I have hidden all the yarns here at the back. As you can see, it stretches really well, and hopefully many people like yourself would happily enjoy learning this pattern and doing a garment like this, an accessory like this, and hopefully you can send me the pictures of your artwork. I would really appreciate that if you do, and see you soon in the next video. Please subscribe, and see you soon in another video. I'm Anna Vanila. See you on this channel. Please come.